Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You have a Blogger blog and access to either the blog settings or your domain registrar. First, open Blogger and go to Settings, then find Publishing to see the current Blogspot URL. If using a custom domain, make sure you can edit DNS records at your registrar. Once done, note the exact host name you want. This prevents mismatches later and speeds the setup as you move into DNS configuration. Now you map the name to Blogger. In Settings under Publishing, enter your custom domain or confirm the Blogspot address. Blogger will show two CNAME values if you choose Custom. Switch to your registrar and create those CNAME records exactly. If you want the root domain, add the 4 a records Blogger requires. Make sure TTLs are reasonable, then wait for DNS propagation. If you chose Blogspot, skip DNS and copy the provided link directly for sharing. Finish by saving the domain in Blogger and confirming ownership when prompted. Blogger will verify the CNAME records and accept the mapping. Once accepted, enable HTTPS and the redirect from non-www to www so your links are secure and consistent. If the URL doesn't resolve, don't panic. Double-check CNAME/a values, remove extra dots or spaces, clear local DNS cache, and allow up to 2440.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.